Hey friends, I hope you guys had a great holiday and you're ready to start the new year with our duck project. I've gotten a bunch of my samples ready and I'll be starting to film soon, but I wanted to get you guys ready with a list of supplies if there's anything you need to get together and just show you a few samples here. So this is the first duck picture that I have shown to you. I tried several different feet patterns, so that was one of them. But I ended up going with something a little more realistic. So these are the feet that we'll be making in the project. And I've listed the color palettes for these three different colorways. Anyway, you can look through the list of supplies and get ready to go, and I will start filming shortly. Anyway, take care and thanks so much for being a part of this. I'm so excited to have you here, and welcome, welcome, welcome to all our new members who joined in December. Anyway, looking forward to seeing you soon on the video, and take care for now.